Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another day of day trading, and I'm up $34 on the day, so another tank of gas trading day there. But I'm really happy about it because in this month of May, I'm really focusing on risking less money, and if that means getting less rewards, then I'm okay with that. I want to have less trades overall this month, but I also want to have more green days overall this month. I was running the numbers from last month. Last month I had, I think it was 12 green days, and so that's great, wonderful. Now it's time to up that, and I want more consistency in my trading. So still crunching those numbers, but I'm almost ready to present those, so that'll be fun. But let's get into today. Today up $34. I made some trades on a stock called XRF. I was actually up on the trade and then re-entered back in and lost money on the trade, so I went down $12 there. Let's look at exactly what I did with XRF. If I can bring this over. Can I bring this over? What's going on here? Now I'm getting it's stalling out on me. Huh. I can't click anything. Well, let's talk about SPY then. Actually, no. I'll present what I can because time is of the essence here, and now I can't do anything. Wow. All right, let's just dive into it. So over here, let's look over here at SPY. So with SPY, what we had happen today was we started up about 0.5% on the day. That's where it opened, and then we saw it sell off in the early portion of the day. Now this for me was my opportunity because once we shot up, we dipped back below the exponential moving average, I saw an opportunity to short. We had put in a it's still kind of malfunctioning over here, but if you can see on this chart, this is the 5-minute chart, and from the overnight hours, there's this faint yellow trend line that I drew. So I took it from the top here down to this peak right here. So from the top down to this peak and through, and there we go, there it picked up. And that was the line that we see here now on the 1-minute chart. So it keeps on going. And once we broke, well, I assumed that we would, since we broke above that line here, I assumed that we would reach back down and try to test that trend line at some point, especially once we confirmed the weakness through breaking through the VWAP and through the exponential moving average. So once we did those things, I thought my thesis would be that this would continue down and retest this trend line that I had drawn from the overnight hours. And again, you can see the trend line up here. All right, I'm actually going to make this a little darker if I can, just so you can see what I'm talking about. All right, so there it is. We actually broke through that trend line with a lot of authority and a lot of movement, a lot of volume, and we've been declining since. A few attempts to reclaim some momentum upward, not happening though, as of yet. We'll see what happens. Now, I put on a short of 200 shares right here at this point, and at this candle, and once it reached back down to this low extreme of the VWAP, that's where I was stopped out on my trade for a $46 gain on the day. So again, $46, you're like, well, that's nothing. That's not a, that's, I could go watch someone else trade and they're making thousands of dollars a day, or I don't know, whatever. I am really happy with this. I'm really happy with I think it's my 3rd or 4th green day in a row. And that consistency, again, is what I'm looking for. I want to keep being consistent in my trades, because if I can, again, find a strategy, my mentality all along has been, if I can find a strategy that I can scalp consistently, $46 of profit or $100 or $150 of profit, then I can always up my share size. And so that is what I'm excited about, the fact that I'm starting to be consistent with seeing the trends, entering the trade well, and then exiting the trade appropriate times as well. So those are the things that I want to do as a trader. Those are the things that are going to make me a better trader. And today was a day that I got better with this. Now the other strategy that I've been kind of playing around with is a strategy of a different trader over at Warrior Trading, and his strategy, I can't bring this up for some reason. Yeah, I can't bring it up. But anyway, his strategy, if you've watched any of my other videos, is to kind of scalp right off the open. If it bounces off the VWAP and shoots through the roof, then you can, just scalp some profits. So I tried that today on XRF. It went up right away in the morning. I think it had gapped up about 121%, and then shot up even more at the open. And then that's where I got in. I wasn't able to. I made one winning trade, and then my second trade lost. I got stopped out. So lost. What did I lose on that one? Lost $12 on that one. So all in all, this was 14 minutes of trading today, and a gain of $34. So I'll take it. Now, why didn't I stay in the trade? Why am I not trading longer? Well, again, as you know, this quarantine has me sharing office space, which is something that I need to accommodate my wife, who's also working from home. But I also had to change a diaper right about here. And so instead of waiting and placing an order for this to break down below this trend line, I went and changed my son's diaper and probably missed out on this move downward to some degree. Probably would have placed something down here for a break below this trend line, and then hopefully would have got some profits there. So you have to trade within the lifestyle that you have. For me, I only have about an hour and a half in the morning to trade. But again, it's nice to continue to learn so that once I am able to sit down for longer periods of time and trade longer periods of time, that I'll be able to have a strategy in place that will allow me to profit from this. So that is the day. Again, $34, 14 minutes of trading, and I'll take it. So another green day. So again, hope you guys are enjoying these videos. If you are, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and look for my reports coming out soon. And my other escapades are also going to be out shortly on this channel. So we're going to do some different things on this channel other than just day trade, which I'm excited about. So with that, I'll leave you guys to it. Have a great day. Have a productive day. And I'll see you tomorrow, hopefully, on the Passive Income Show.